Please sit. Good morning, how are you today?
Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Let's start with introduction. Can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Sure. My name is Zahwa. I'm very interested in this job. I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your time.
This great. Why are you interested in these questions?
I've always admired your company reputation. This role fits well with my skills.
What do you consider your strengths?
I would say my strength are my problem-solving skill and my ability to work well under pressure.
What about your weakness?
One area I'm working on is becoming more comfortable with delegating tasks.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I hope to have advanced in my career.
Thank you for your time. We'll be in touch.
Thank you for the opportunity. I look forward to